If you struggle blending this ridge, listen up because this tutorial is about to change your blending game. You need to find both of your guides, one on the top, one on the side. You're going to pull the hair up, and there is my top guide. Now the side guide is the length of the clipper that you use. So there's your side guide, here's your top guide. Now you want to make a vertical part on the hair, just like that. See that little vertical part right there that I've made? That's the hair that I'm going to work on. Now I'm going to pull that straight out. Now this is where you need to find your guides. Remember, we've already found the top guide, which is right there. See that top guide? Now the side guide, remember, is the clipper length. So we are going to angle our fingers and make a straight line between the two guides. So I'm gonna put my fingers right on his head, angle that out. There's the straight line that I want to cut. So I'm going to make that line, and that is how you blend that ridge. Then you're going to take vertical parts all the way back, and that will blend the top into the side.